What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run a Java project in your Visual Studio Code. So open your Visual Studio Code, go to the Extensions tab and search for Extension Pack for Java. Now scroll down till you see this Extension Pack for Java. Now you'll have an install button here. So click the install button and install it for you. I have already installed it. This has a lot of other extensions bundled together. So yeah, just install this pack of extensions. And after that's done, close this and open your file explorer. You'll see you'll have another option named Create Java Project. Click on it. Now here you can choose any build tool like Gradle, Maven, but I'm going to select no build tools and choose a location where you want to save your project. Now enter the name of the project, for example, test project. Hit enter. And you can see the project has been created for us. Now, if I go to this source app.java, you can see we have a simple hello world program written here. Now, if I go here, you can see I have a run button. And if I click on it, you can see terminal opens up and we get the output. You can see now the Java is also telling you to subscribe to CodeBear. How cool is that? You can't ignore that message. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, this is it. This is how you can run Java projects in your Visual Studio Code. So if this was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.